Hello and welcome to another episode of Kuma's Kitchen, and tonight I'm having gnocchi or gnocchi or however you say it. I just know they're delicious. These potato gnocchis, and I've made them with, let's see, I've got shiitake mushrooms, bacon. I mean, how could they go wrong, right? Little Parmesan cheese sprinkle on top just before you eat it, and oh yeah. This is a satisfying meal, and it's really easy to put together. This is a couple simple ingredients and quickly done in the frying pan. Yeah. So, let's go in the kitchen and make this right now. All right, this is a pretty simple dinner to put together, especially if you don't have much time. Bam, you can blast this together pretty quickly. What we've got across the front here is a 1/4 cup of butter. And then we've got 1 onion chopped. Got about 8-9 shiitake mushrooms sliced thickly. I like to slice them about 1/4 inch, about 5 millimeters thick. Over here, I've got 6 ounces or 170 grams of bacon block. I get the bacon block and then I just cut it up into pieces like this. About just a little under 1/4 inch, so just under 5 millimeters. Perfect. Fry those up. This here's Parmesan. That's going to be for later. We're not going to cook that. That's just to serve with the meal. So that is 2 ounces or 55 grams of Parmesan, which is just about right for everybody to put on top of their food afterwards. And back here is the gnocchi itself. Now these are potato gnocchis, and gnocchi, I don't know, do you say it with a G? Do you say it without the G? That is 1 pound or 450 grams. Now, if you live here in Osaka and you're wondering where can I get these, well, any Kaldi coffee farm carries these. Fantastic, little blue pack like that. You need 2 of them to get a pound. All right, so little blue pack like that. Now, if you don't live in Osaka and you're wondering, what is Kaldi Coffee Farm? It's not a farm, and they don't just sell coffee. It's actually an import store, which does have a coffee counter with a whole bunch of different selections of beans, but they've got all kinds of other imported stuff, including gnocchi. I can get all kinds of cool stuff there. All right, what do I do now? I've got a fry pan here. I want to start that up on medium heat. And then I want to get that butter going in there. So I'm going to melt up that butter. Whoa. Break things over there. That's okay, it's off screen, doesn't count. All right, so gonna melt that butter, and that's just gonna take about a minute, and then we're gonna get the onion in there. All right, there we go, it's just about done. A little trick to keep in mind: if you skate the butter around on the hot frying pan, it melts a lot faster, so we can quickly get that happening. All right, that's it. So in goes the onion. And I'm going to cook that onion just about 5-6 minutes. I just want to soften it up a little bit. So that's 5-6 minutes on medium. Going to stir it occasionally, and then we'll be back. All right, onions are softening up. So now what we're going to do is get the bacon in there. And the mushrooms. What I want to do, so got a little bit of browning on everything. Now, yes, it gets a bit crowded. You may not get perfect browning, but you're gonna use about 5-6 minutes. Gonna be pretty good. It's gonna get some good flavor in there. All right, see you back here. 5 to 6 minutes. So that's looking good. Got a little bit of browning happening there. That's looking delicious already, and now in goes the gnocchi. So, I want to cook the gnocchi for about 8 to 10 minutes. We're doing a lot of stirring. You want to get them all throughout, and then we'll be ready to serve it up. All right, see you back here in about 8 to 10 minutes when this gnocchi is cooked up, ready to go. See you then. All right, look at that. That is looking absolutely fantastic. We got the bacon and mushrooms throughout the gnocchi. The gnocchi is now got a little bit of browning on it. Look at that one. That is a beauty. Yeah, that is looking really good. That's ready for dinner. All right, that's dinner tonight. Hey, if you like this recipe, stick around and check out the other original Kevin Riley recipes here on Kuma's Kitchen channel. And also make sure that you are subscribed and you've clicked that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of these coming out every week. Now, go make this and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.